Oh, guys, you may know already what we are talking about. You may know who we are gonna talk with today. We are gonna, you know already what the picture or the GIS I showed in the beginning of a picture. You can guess and tell what the video is about today. We are gonna go and see the nature with my cousin Pragna, who's standing over there.
Thank you, Kamavar. I'm gonna tell you about all of the nature, like wind is floating on my hair. Without nature, everybody know without natural things and without nature we can never live. Is that right?
Oh, that's truly right, because everything which is made on earth is because of nature.
Yes, without trees, could you breathe or eat or things? I'm gonna explain about all the birds and non-living things and animals. And first, starting, I will explain about the food chain.
Oh, that's true.
Don't talk in between, okay? I'll explain about that. There are lovely animals, but all the animals start with food like grass or fruit or vegetables, like natural eating things. Let me give you an example of flying food chain. Let me give it now. Flying food chain is first grass is eaten by deer, deer is eaten by lion, and those are the another examples. There are like no grasshopper is eat grasses, and grasshopper he eats, and frog eats grasshopper, and frog is eaten by snake, and snake is eaten by eagle or vulture. That's it will be more longer, but I gave an example for it. It's a shape. Let me now explain about the trees and plants and everything. Plants inhale. What do you mean by that? They give us oxygen, and we breathe, and we breathe in that air. We breathe out carbon dioxide, and with that carbon dioxide, plant is going to make another fresh air and give it back to us. And we are breathing because of that only. Trees and things are really getting worse in these cities, right?
Yeah, and the process of taking in carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen is called as photosynthesis, and it's used with water, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, and sunlight which comes from the sun.
And chlorophyll either.
Yeah, that's where the magic happens.
That's not magic, that's called science.
Yeah, but people say for easier method, it's called as magic.
Yes, of course. Science is the method of magic only, right?
Yeah, that's true. Because you couldn't Einstein would be not a magician without science.
Yes, of course. And the trees are getting ruined because of the cities, but in the villages there will be a lot of trees to see, and that's very good to our eyes. And the nature explains us about our life. We cannot even breathe or survive without air. Let me tell you about animals now.
Let me tell something, a fun fact about you. What if the earth started rotating anti-clockwise? What would happen, you think?
Oh my god, that is the funniest fact.
Yeah, what would happen is the houses would grow with trees, and the seas would grow trees, and the oceans and all the desert would grow in trees. But there is a problem too. Can you guess the problem?
Yes, of course. There will be no houses to survive, and there will be no animals, and human
Now, actually, it doesn't grow in houses literally, but the problem is the oceans which are there here.
They're
They,
really dry.
no, there will be so much rain, flood. That's why we are. But now we are cutting trees and we are polluting Mother Earth. She is very sad at
And
now.
the earth's really mad at her, at us, because we're cutting down her growing trees, and the birds help to grow trees. Let me tell you how trees grow in forests and rainforests. Let me. And the birds eat some fruits, right?
Yeah.
And they'll lift some seeds of the fruits in the ground, and it will rain, and the trees will start to grow. I guess that's the fact of it, but I don't know really how plants grow, because the curse of the earth is growing by itself, I guess. The earth is really mad of us because we are making her trees, hurting her to survive with houses and cities and roads and everything. And let me tell you a riddle. What goes to roads, towns, and what goes to villages, towns, and everywhere, but never ends?
What?
What goes to rivers and villages and cities, but never ends?
Yeah, that's true. But people will be so excited as they can cut everything down, as the earth will be growing so much trees.
And the factories, bad smoke will come out of it, and they will some people in the factories have died of those smoke.
Yeah, that's true. So, people tell that no factory should be there near the city places. It should be far, far away from the city places, as it produces so much black smoke which will hurt the nature, and we will get asthma and like those things.
And another fact is the trees would be ruined. If the trees are near the factory, the trees would spoil. Everybody knows carbon dioxide is caused by vehicles and factories and our breathing.
Yeah, that's true.
Wait a minute. And if the trees are near the factory, it will be spoiled. I think the trees would, in my imagination, it would take the smoke and prepare some fresh air and give to us. I guess that's a funny fact. I guess.
Oh, yeah, that's so funny. Huh, yeah, we got enough so much of plants. Let's wait for part 2 about nature.
Yes. Let's share, subscribe, comment, and like this video for part 2. Thank you.